Hi guys, today I've got Asus TUF AX6000 gaming router, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up this guy using smartphone application, and also I will briefly walk you through the application's features and web interface of this router. Let's get right into it. First, let's take a look at the back panel of your router and talk about physical connections. So this is the power socket, power button, WPS button over here, reset button in this notch, USB port for local file storage, but the most interesting for now is these Ethernet ports. The blue one is the only input in your router, so you need to connect this port to your main internet source. So take the Ethernet cable and connect the other end either to your modem or LAN socket in the wall, or you can even connect it to any Wi-Fi router, but I suppose you've purchased this guy to replace your older, slower router. So if you want to do this, Asus router should be your main, and it should be connected directly to your main internet source. So modem is what you need. Connect one end to the modem's output and the second end to the router's input. If you don't have a modem, just disconnect your old router from LAN socket in the wall and connect this one instead. And also maybe you need to contact your internet provider and ask what settings do you need to adjust in your router, or maybe you need to call a specialist from your provider to replace your old router with this one. Next, also this router has 5 LAN outputs, which means you can connect up to 5 routers, access points, range extenders or mesh system units via cable and get the seamless Wi-Fi coverage across your home at the highest speed possible. Also, you can connect more mesh system units over Wi-Fi, but only in the case if they support Asus mesh system connections. And using the ports, you can connect any device of any brand to extend your Wi-Fi network. The separate port has 2.5 gigabit speed, other ports has 1 gigabit speed each, and the gaming port is prioritized. So if you have some internet speed issues, this port will have the biggest piece of traffic. So that's pretty. So let's finally power on the router. So you need to connect the adapter like this, plug it to the power outlet and press the power button. And let's start connecting to Wi-Fi. To set up Wi-Fi network on this router, you have two options: web interface or smartphone application. I'm going to show you the second one, and later you can repeat the same steps in web interface. I will show you how to get there, but let's start with the app. So open App Store or Google Play Store on Android devices and install Asus router application. Once installed, open it, scroll down on the first screen, agree to the terms and conditions. Confirm you are above the age of 16 years. Now agree to the privacy notice, and this is the welcome screen. This is the necessary permission to find devices on local networks. So allow this, allow to use your location while using app, and just tap on setup. Select Asus Wi-Fi routers, but make sure the main indicator on your router is blue and the router is broadcasting Wi-Fi. This indicator on the right side shows you this. So tap on the routers, on the Asus routers, and you have two options. Once again, you can manually connect to the router in your Wi-Fi settings, or enable camera and scan. If you wish to connect to the router manually in some reason, I don't know, you can find the credentials on the product label. But let me just go the simple way. Just scan QR code. I recommend you to do this. So if the code is blurred, just tap on the screen. Now it's scanned. And all that left to do is tap on join to join the router. Now the connection is in process. Well, your router is found, so let's get started. It's detecting your internet connection status. Usually it takes less than 1 minute, but anyway, be patient and wait until this line fills, or you get the message about connection earlier. Now, if you have some spatial requirements from your ISP, you need to contact the representative and ask if you have some spatial requirements. Otherwise, just click next. This is the most common option. Just click next. And let's name your new Wi-Fi network. Let it be Asus network. And create simple password for this example, but for your security I recommend you a stronger password. So hit next. This is the suggestion to create stronger password from the manufacturer. The next step is create your admin username and password to have access to the router from another smartphones or web interfaces. Let me create simple password as well for this example. Of course, I recommend stronger passwords. Hit next. Yes in this window, or this is also the warning that my password is too weak, but I'm okay with this for now. Now it's setting up your network, and this time it may take more than 1 minute and even more than 2 minutes. Up to 5 overall, so just be patient and wait. So now the application wants to join to the newly created network. Allow to do this to finish setup. And the final step is network optimization. So here is your summary. Your network is up and running. Wi-Fi name and password, username, admin name and password. So just tap on finish and enable or disable notifications. Let's enable, why not? Allow this. And let's skip remote connection for now, because to do this you have to create an account and connect your device to cloud services and so on. But now we're all set, and this is the home screen of your application. And this circle in the middle is your main control panel. You can swipe left and right to switch between different options. Here you can see your real-time traffic. Tap on that and see some details over here. Next, swipe left one more time. And this is your network name. You can tap on that, rename your network, change password, enable or disable 2.4 and 5 gigahertz networks. Let's go back to the home screen. Swipe left. This is CPU and RAM usage, not so interesting. This is connected clients. You can see who is connected to your router. Block users from here. Let's go back home. Left one more time. And what is the most cool thing in this application, you can change the color of your indicator. Just tap on that and select color, and look here. Now it's violet, now it's red, now it's green. Very good. Also you can change the theme of the application. Tap on these 3 bars over here, tap on theme and change to black, white, gaming red, techno blue. Personally, I prefer simplicity white because I'm not such a big gamer. Also in this gear icon you can find some advanced settings, including gaming, most important for gaming router. And here you can enable mobile gaming mode, so you can prioritize this device in your network and it will have the best traffic. So let's go back. Actually, for today that's pretty it about this application. Now let me show you a couple of things on a computer. So when you connect it to your Asus network on your computer, you can open any web browser and type in the router's IP address in the search bar. The default IP address of Asus routers is this one. So write it down, enter this IP address in your web browser, and it takes you to login page. You need to enter your username and password. And so guys, let me ignore my antivirus. If you do this while your network is still not set up, it will take you to the setup menu, and you can complete the same steps as on your smartphone and set up network just like we did now. But now, if you click on sign in, it takes you to the control panel. So from here you also can control your network clients. You can change Wi-Fi network name and password from here. You can enable game boost. You have more options here. As you can see, you can enable something like gear accelerator, whatever it means. Test this feature, and enable mobile game mode as well. Open NAT, enable this feature. So you have 3 options here. And actually web interfaces always give you more control over your Wi-Fi router. For example, from application you can't clear Wi-Fi logs, and from here, somewhere here, you can find this feature somewhere in advanced settings. That's pretty it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome. See you in the next videos. Bye, guys.